friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up an alarm on your Windows 10 PC. Yes, you hear it right. Set up an alarm on your PC, not on your mobile. Yes, you can set up an alarm on Windows 10 PC because there is a readily available and pre-installed app on Windows 10. Only disadvantage of that is the alarm will work only if your PC is awake. So let's see how to set up an alarm on your Windows 10 PC. For that, go to taskbar search and search for alarm and clock. The second setting here is alarm. Here you can turn it on and you can set the timings as you want. Your morning, you can set up the weekdays, whichever you want to this alarm to be repeated. You can change the alarm sound and you can set up the snooze as well for 5 minutes, 20 minutes, or you can disable it as well. So this is how we can set up an alarm on your Windows 10 PC, which is readily available and already installed program on your Windows 10 PC. So that's it from this quick tutorial, friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you very much.